What is YOPMail and what is it for? With the amount of time we spend on the internet these days, there are countless places where we need to enter our email addresses. Sometimes, we are asked for our email address just to use a website that we are only going to use once. And if we do give it to them, we often find ourselves receiving lots of unwanted spam email. In these situations, a temporary email or disposable email address is very useful. If this ever happens to you, your solution is YOPMail. What is YOPMail? The YOP in YOPMail stands for Your Own Protection, and that's exactly what it is for. As you can see in this screenshot of the home page, YOPMail provides disposable email addresses that you can use whenever you need to enter an email address into a registration form but don't want to be dealing with unwanted emails for the rest of eternity. Here's the basic idea: you simply type in any random email address you can think of into the form you're filling out on a website, and end the email with @yopmail.com. The website will take this temporary email address that you've just invented, so you don't have to give your real one away. Then, if you need to check an email sent by that website, like an account activation or free download, for example, just go to YOPMail and type in that same random email in the box in the upper left-hand corner. No registration is needed to use a temporary email or throwaway email from YOPMail. The process is quite different from what most people are used to, though, so in this post we have a simple step-by-step tutorial on using YOPMail's most basic feature, creating a disposable email, using it to sign up on some website, and checking your temporary email account. How to use YOPMail to make a temporary email. First, remember that you don't need to register on YOPMail to use a throwaway email address there. Just go to whatever website you want. For example, here's a website I was on that offered a free PDF download of their detox guide when you subscribed to their newsletter. All you have to do is enter an email address here that ends in @yopmail.com. It can be literally anything you want, but it's probably best not to make it too complicated because you're going to have to enter it later on the YOPMail site. After you have signed up, subscribed, registered, or whatever using this email you just made up, go to the YOPMail homepage at www.yopmail.com/n. In the top left corner, there is a box labeled "Type the email name of your choice." Enter or copy plus paste the same email address into that box, and click the Check Inbox button. This will take you to the inbox for that disposable email address that you never even had to register for. Note that this means the account isn't password protected, so we wouldn't recommend handling and sensitive information in this way. If you are waiting on an email to arrive with a free download link, activation link, etc., this is where you will find it. It could take several minutes to arrive, but it will come eventually. Unless you delete them yourself, any messages sent to this throwaway email account will be automatically deleted after 8 days. So, as you can see, using a temporary email address on YOPMail is quite different from signing up for a regular email account. Basically, because there is no sign up needed.